In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check purchasing power on Affirm. If you're curious how much you can spend with Affirm before you shop, the process is quick, clear, and won't affect your credit score. Think of purchasing power as a snapshot of what you could be approved to spend. It's based on your profile and can change over time, but checking it only takes a minute and uses a soft credit pull. You can check your purchasing power in two places, right inside the Affirm app or before you check out at a partner store. The flow looks a little different in each case. In the app, you'll get a general amount you can use to explore payment plans and shop. At partner stores, you'll typically see what you qualify for in the context of a specific cart, which can vary by retailer, items, and terms. Let's start in the Affirm app. First, log into your Affirm account. Once you're in, head to the Home tab. There, look for the button labeled Check My Purchasing Power. Give that a tap. If you don't see the button right away, try refreshing the Home tab or making sure your app is up to date. A stable internet connection also helps the check go quickly. After you tap the button, your purchasing power will appear on the Home tab. This number gives you a helpful guide to what you may qualify for, and you can use it to apply for payment plans and shop directly in the app. Keep in mind that the exact approval amount and terms at checkout can still differ based on the merchant, your cart, and any updates to your profile. It's normal for purchasing power to adjust over time, so checking periodically is a good habit. If you have the Affirm card, you'll also find your purchasing power on the Card tab. That makes it easy to see your amount in the same place you manage your card. If the Card tab isn't there, it simply means the card isn't active on your account. Now, if you prefer to check before you buy at a partner store, you can do that during the shopping experience. You'll typically see your options as you move toward checkout, and those offers reflect that specific purchase. Because they're tailored to the store and items, they may not match the general amount you see in the app, and that's expected. To recap, checking your purchasing power is fast, won't impact your credit score, and can be done in the app or right before checkout at partner stores. Use it as a helpful guide to plan your purchases confidently.